Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best concrete cleaner is probably one of the most sought-after cleaning products for homeowners and business owners alike, tackling tough stains and grime on concrete surfaces, from driveways and patios to garage floors and industrial settings. This video will dive deep into what makes a great concrete cleaner, helping you choose the perfect product to restore your concrete surfaces to their former glory, saving you time, money, and frustration in the process. Number 5. Drillbrush Cleaning Kit. Say goodbye to tedious scrubbing. This kit makes cleaning siding, brick, and more a breeze. It's the perfect solution for a faster, easier clean. Transform your cleaning routine with this 3-piece power scrub brush kit. It's designed to save you time and energy, so you can focus on what matters most. From garage floors and gutters to concrete and fireplaces, it tackles tough dirt and grime with ease. It's the ultimate multi-surface cleaning tool. The 1/4-inch quick-change shaft ensures compatibility with all cordless drills and impact drivers. Switching brushes is quick and easy, adapting to any cleaning task. Easily removes stubborn oil spills, hard water stains, and other tough messes. It's powerful enough to handle even the most challenging cleaning jobs. We're confident you'll love it. It comes with a 90-day, no questions asked return policy. Your satisfaction is our priority. What we like. This kit makes cleaning a breeze. If you're tired of scrubbing by hand, this is your solution. Its quick-change design lets you tackle various surfaces with ease. If you want to save time and energy on tough cleaning jobs, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. Functionality is as simple as adding a drill bit. If you have a cordless drill and are strong enough to hold one up for 30 seconds, then it's that simple. I use them in the bathroom for cleaning soap scum off my shower and mildew off my heavy vinyl shower curtain, and they're great for that. The quality I get out of them is great. I first remove my shower curtain inner liner and anti-slip mat from my tub, all mildewy and slimy. I put around 4 inches of hot water and bleach in the tub, then I let the curtain liner and mat soak in the bleach for around 3 minutes. Then I hold the anti-slip mat up against the bath wall and give it a few passes around the perimeter and inside with the drill brush, and watch the mildew get blasted off. The brushes themselves are super sturdy and clip on to the drill very easily. They made cleaning my stove and sink a breeze. Once I saw how easily the grime came off with little manual effort and how much time I was saving, I got inspired to deep clean other areas of my home. The brush set comes with 3 different brushes, and the smaller brush was ideal for smaller nooks that I previously couldn't reach. Number 4. CHOMP. Pull it out. Say goodbye to stubborn oil stains. This powerful formula lifts stains from concrete and other porous surfaces, leaving them looking their best. It penetrates deep to remove tough oil and grease stains, tackling even transmission fluid and brake fluid. It's effective on driveways, garage floors, and more. Unlike harsh chemical cleaners, it's safe for use around your home or business. It's bleach, acid, and hazardous material free, making it a worry-free solution. Simply pour it on, let it dry, and brush away the stain. It's that easy. It works like magic, drawing out the contamination. It's effective on a wide variety of concrete conditions and types, thanks to its unique poultice technology. No matter the surface, it gets the job done. Oil stains can lower your property value. This product helps maintain or even increase your home's value by removing those unsightly stains. What we like. Say goodbye to stubborn oil stains. This powerful yet safe formula lifts stains without harsh chemicals. Just pour, let it dry, and brush away. If you need an effective and safe way to remove oil stains from your concrete surfaces, this is the product for you. What people say. Instant stain removal. This oil stain remover works like magic. I applied it directly onto the stains, let it sit for a few minutes, and then scrubbed with a stiff brush. The oil and grease stains disappeared almost immediately, leaving my garage floor looking like new. The product truly pulls out oils and greases effectively. It works just as it says if you follow the instructions and completely got rid of the oil spots. All I did was follow the directions and couldn't believe the outcome. There is not a grease spot anywhere. Number 3. Simple Green Oxy Solve Cleaner. Introducing Simple Green Oxy Solve, the powerful cleaner for your concrete and driveway. It's tough on stains but gentle on surfaces, using the power of peroxide for effective cleaning. Say goodbye to stubborn oil stains, rust, grease, and tire marks. It effortlessly lifts away grime, leaving your surfaces looking their best. This versatile cleaner works wonders on driveways, walkways, patios, and masonry. It's perfect for a variety of outdoor cleaning needs. It harnesses the power of peroxide to effectively clean without harsh chemicals. This makes it a safer and more environmentally friendly choice. Please note that the packaging of this product may slightly differ from what is shown in the image. The formula and cleaning power remain the same. Watch how easily it tackles even the most stubborn stains. See the difference it makes in restoring the beauty of your outdoor spaces. What we like. Clean your driveway like a pro. This cleaner is perfect for use with a pressure washer and tackles even the toughest stains. It uses the power of peroxide for effective cleaning without harsh chemicals. If you're looking for a powerful and environmentally friendly way to clean your driveway, this is the one for you. What people say. Great driveway cleaner when used in my pressure washer. Cleaned around our pool with just power washer, not great results. Poured simple green concrete and driveway cleaner in a 5-gallon bucket with just a little water, left on 2 minutes. Great results. Left on 20 minutes, amazing. This is legit the best I've ever used. I've been using simple green oxy-solved concrete and driveway pressure washer cleaner for a few weeks now, and it's been a lifesaver for keeping my driveway and patio clean. The formula is powerful and effective at removing dirt, grease, and stains. I simply mix it with water according to the instructions, apply it to the surface, and let it sit for a few minutes before using my pressure washer. The results are impressive. My driveway and patio look like new. Number 2. TerminatorHSD Oil Stain Remover. Say goodbye to unsightly oil stains. This powerful yet eco-friendly formula bioremediates and removes oil and grease stains, leaving your surfaces clean and the environment safe. It breaks down and dissolves oil into naturally occurring byproducts of CO2 and water. Unlike other products, it doesn't just mask the problem, it eliminates it. Even large stains are no match for this product. Its easy application means you can treat large areas with minimal effort and product. Use it on concrete, asphalt, pavers, driveways, virtually any surface marred by oil, grease, or other hydrocarbon-based stains. Simply spread it evenly, mist with water, and let it work its magic. No harsh scrubbing or chemicals are needed. For optimal results, reapply weekly with a light mist. It typically takes 4 to 6 weeks to completely remove the stain, but the results are worth the wait. One 10-ounce container of this product covers 25 to 50 square feet, making it a cost-effective solution for your cleaning needs. What we like. Clean your concrete sustainably. This eco-friendly formula bioremediates oil stains, breaking them down safely. It's easy to spread on large areas and requires minimal scrubbing. If you prioritize eco-conscious cleaning and want effective stain removal, this is the perfect option for you. What people say. This is a powder form of hydrocarbon-eating bacteria. Completely non-toxic and environmentally friendly. Wet the target concrete or asphalt area with water and sprinkle this powder lightly on the stained areas. The little guys will eat oil, gasoline, hydraulic fluid and transmission fluid. Basically you lightly dust the oil stain and brush it in and around until fully covered. That's it. In a few days, I began to see the stain get smaller and finally gone. I have used this product in the past with successful outcomes. It is easy to apply and over time removes oil stains extremely well. Follow the instructions and be patient. It does a good job. Number 1. EXIMO Waterless Cleaner. Say goodbye to harsh chemicals and hello to EXIMO, the all-natural solution for cleaning your concrete surfaces. It's tough on dirt and grime, yet gentle on the environment. It uses a natural process called bioremediation to break down dirt and grime. This process is safe for your family and pets. It penetrates deep below the surface to lift away stubborn stains and leave your concrete looking its best. It's effective on driveways, garages, basements, and walkways. It's all natural and environmentally friendly. It breaks down into harmless water and carbon dioxide, leaving no harmful residue behind. Simply apply it to the surface, let it work its magic, and then rinse. It's that easy. Choose EXIMO for a powerful, eco-friendly clean that's tough on dirt and grime, but gentle on the planet. Get yours today. What we like. Get a naturally clean concrete surface. This all-natural cleaner uses bioremediation to break down stains into harmless water and carbon dioxide. It's tough on stains but gentle on the environment. If you are looking for a completely natural and environmentally friendly way to clean your concrete, this is the best choice for you. What people say. This stuff is different. First of all, it takes way less time than trying to clean concrete with other common cleaners. You also end up a lot less dirty at the end, there's no splashing, no treading in greasy liquids, etc. There's basically just light-colored powder that's easy to brush off of anything it gets on. Most importantly, it has done a better job of actually cleaning the dark, grimy-looking staining out of the concrete than anything else I've tried so far, and the best part is that there's no mess and no oil and detergent being sprayed off into the lawn or into the drain system. Instead, you just sweep it up. It worked. I could not believe it. I actually saw the oil coming up out of the cement. This is oil that has been there for years. Some reviewers said that it just covered up their spots, but this oil is coming up. In fact, when I was done putting EXIMO on the spots, the rest of the driveway looked terrible in comparison, so I went ahead and did the whole driveway. I still have half of a package left because it does not take much. I had horrible black oil spots all over my parking space. I used just one application and within one day they were almost completely gone. And I mean there was a lot of black oil spots. Since the oil spots were fresh, I believe that's why it worked so well. However, I did try some on a more drier older patch. It didn't work as quickly but started to work sometime later. So overall stuff works great, but I find it works great on fresher oil stains. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.